this video, you will learn about another important chemical compound, that is baking soda. The common name of baking soda is also baking soda. The chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Chemical formula of this compound is NaHCO3. Nature, that is chemically it is basic in nature. Appearance, that is how does it look like. It is white crystalline solid. Solubility, yes, it is soluble in water. This important compound is prepared. How is it prepared? Baking soda is prepared by passing carbon dioxide gas through ammoniated brine solution. So what is this ammoniated brine solution? You know that brine means aqueous sodium chloride or common salt solution, and when we pass ammonia gas through it, it becomes ammoniated brine solution. So NaCl plus H2O plus NH3 is the ammoniated brine solution, and when carbon dioxide gas is passed through this, that is CO2, we get the compound baking soda, that is NaHCO3, and NH4Cl is the byproduct. Next, we will learn what are the uses of baking soda. See, it is used as a base in laboratory. It is used to make washing soda. It is used as an ingredient in antacids, that is to treat acidity problem. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. It is used for making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda and mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed with water, the following reaction takes place. NaHCO3 plus H plus comes from the acid, and the products are CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of the acid. Here, the carbon dioxide gas produced makes the bread or cake or dhokla or idli soft and spongy. That's why when we make cake or bread or dhokla or idli, we add baking soda. On heating, baking soda produces sodium carbonate along with water and carbon dioxide. So the chemical reaction is NaHCO3 heat gives CO2 plus H2O plus Na2CO3. These are the amazing uses of baking soda. It removes excess of oil and dirt from the scalp and helpful for removing dandruff. It removes dead skin and blackheads, helpful for acne. It removes dead skin and foul odor from the feet and soften them. It is helpful in urinary tract infection. It removes the plaque and whitens the teeth. It eases in the inflammation due to gout. Not only that, it eases the pain due to insect bite, and most important, it boosts stamina. These are the top uses of baking soda. See here. First, it is used as an antacid. Second, it removes the chemical smell that comes out of clothes on repeated wearing. It can be used to remove underarm deodorant. It can also be used as a toothpaste, to remove dog odors and urine, to make face and body scrub. It also helps to soften the skin. Besides this, it relieves skin itch from insect bites and pain from sunburn. It helps relieve baby's diaper rash. It can also be used as an oven cleaner. It can be used as in bathtub and tile scrub. It acts as a silver polish and also a drain cleaner. These are the best uses of baking soda. For health, we can add baking soda to our bath water to relieve sunburned or itchy skin. We can make a paste of baking soda and water and apply it to a burn or an insect bite for relief. If you crave sweets, rinse your mouth with 1 teaspoon baking soda dissolved in a glass of warm water. Don't swallow the mixture, spit it out. Your craving should disappear instantly. To remove pesticides, dirt, and wax from fresh fruits and vegetables, wash them in a large bowl of cool water to which you have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Now, baking soda also finds important uses in the kitchen. To clean the refrigerator, we can use a solution of 1 teaspoon baking soda to 1 quarter of warm water. After that, you can use baking soda by putting it in a cup and then applying the opening of your clogged drain and add a cup of hot vinegar. After a few minutes, flush the drain with quarter of boiling water. To remove stains from your coffee and tea cups, wipe them with a damp sponge dipped in baking soda paste. Boil 2 inches of water in a pan with a burned bottom. Turn off the heat, then add half a cup of baking soda. Let it sit overnight. In the morning, it will be easy to clean. Sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda on the bottom of your toaster oven to eliminate the burnt smell from drippings and crumbs. So these are the tricks that can be used in the kitchen. In the bathroom, soak toothbrushes in baking soda and warm water overnight to clean bristles. Generally, we don't clean the bristles, so we can use baking soda to clean the bristles of the toothbrush. Keep your rubber gloves dry and smelling good by sprinkling baking soda inside them. They'll slip on more easily too. On clothing, to remove perspiration stains, make a thick paste of baking soda and water. Rub paste into the stain. Let it sit for an hour and then launder as usual. Gasoline and oil odors can be removed by putting clothes in a trash bag with a baking soda for a few days before washing them. Then there are also some miscellaneous uses of baking soda. Add a pinch of baking soda to boiled syrup to prevent it from crystallizing. Lay down a barrier of baking soda under sink pipe openings along basement windows to keep carpenter ants, silverfish, and roaches from invading. Roaches eat the baking soda, dehydrate, and die. A light baking soda paste on a damp cloth will remove bugs and tar from cars without damaging the paint. Let paste sit for a few minutes before wiping and rinsing clean. Sprinkling baking soda on your front steps will provide traction and melt the ice. Unlike rock salt, kitty litter, or sand, it won't damage outdoor or indoor surfaces or shoes. A paste of baking soda removes red sauce stains from plastic. So that's the end of this video. Thank you.